everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to control an LED with a push button using an Arduino. So let's get started with the introduction. In this tutorial, we will learn how to control an LED with a push button. But wait, before going further into the video, let me explain you about push button so that you can understand how it works. A push button is a simple switch mechanism that allow the current to flow when pressed. It has four legs, but we only need two legs for this project. When you press the button, the two legs are connected, allowing the current to pass through it. Let's go over the components we needed for this project. So first we need a breadboard for temporary circuit building. Then we use Arduino Uno that control our circuit. After this, we use push button. It is a simple switch that allow the current to flow when pressed. Then we use 220 ohm resistor to limit the current flow into the LED. And we use 10 ohm resistor for push button and one LED, a USB cable for Arduino to connect with PC, so in last we use some jumper wires that use to connect the circuit. So let's start the project. First we place the LED into the breadboard, but before insert it, remember the leg of LED. Then we insert this 220 ohm resistor into the same row of short leg of LED. After this, we connect the free end of the resistor with ground pin of Arduino through black jumper wire. Now we connect the long leg of LED with pin number 13 by using red jumper wire. Now we place the push button into the breadboard and connect its one leg with pin number 2 using blue jumper wire. Now we insert the 10k ohm resistor in the same row. Then we connect the free end of the resistor with the ground by using black jumper wire. Now connect the diagonally opposite leg of button with 5 volt by using yellow jumper wire. In last we connect this circuit with the PC by using USB cable. Now we open Arduino IDE and start writing the code. First we define pins, button pin as 2 and LED pin as 13. Then we create a setup function in which we set button pin as input pin and LED pin as output. Then we create a loop function in which we create a variable that hold the button state. If button is pressed, LED is turned on, otherwise it off. Now we upload the code. And there you have it. You have successfully controlled an LED with a push button using an Arduino. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for